I encourage everyone to sign up for this camp if you want to be a performer, an actor, if you want to work backstage, but also anyone who wants to work on public speaking or collaboration skills. It's a great way to start working on communication overall, which is a good tool that we all use, and no matter what our careers are, being able to go into a job interview, being able to just work with your teammates, it's a really good skill to work on, to strengthen, and to really embrace. The camp is going to be the last 2 weeks of June. Monday through Thursday, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. I encourage everyone from the community to our students, age 13 and up. This year is going to be a mix of Second City style improvisation as well as some scripted work. At Second City, we do a lot of improv games and storytelling, and we always include the audience. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to be involving our audience in our show. We'll ask for suggestions, we'll ask them to even jump on stage, and the students, after the camp of 2 weeks of fun and exploration, we then get that skill of being able to throw audience members in on stage with us, or even we give them a microphone from the audience and let them get involved in ways, which is a lot of fun. Our students are invited to bring in any scripted work they might want to work on, and that's plays, that's TV and film even, or we can do songs and musical work as well. Our final show, which our camp ends with an invited show, we invite our family, our friends, our community members, and the show is going to be in Bauman Theater. Last year it was under construction, so this year our summer camp show will be in this amazing space, which is really wonderful. I can't wait to see what the students want because they devised the show, so that means they get to create the show themselves.